Hello, in this video I would like to show you how it's possible to use the ExoSwitch Constraint to perform traditional animation tasks. I've loaded two characters, I call them Bob 1 and Bob 2, and I'm gonna animate them passing this cube to each other. So the first thing we should do is grabbing the controller of hand control Bob 1 and roughly position it on top of the cube. And then I can just constrain everything together, and what we get out of the box is the expected bidirectionality of the constraint. So anything that I grab and I select that has been associated with the constraint will drive the system. But for this test I actually want to be more explicit and have a little bit more control on what is driving what. So I'm going to use the marquee menu to set this hand to be the driver of the system at the moment, and then I'm going to disable this other hand so that when one moves the other one doesn't really follows. The first thing I would like to do is set up a couple of keyframes. So I'm gonna animate the hand reaching really quick. Probably I need a keyframe around there. Maybe one right there, possibly. I'm gonna do the same with the other character. There you go. And when the two hands come together, I'm gonna keyframe the blend weights of the constraint for the controller. And then at the following frame, I'm just gonna swap their weights so that what disabled, what becoming enable, and vice versa. Finally, I'm going to keyframe the driver of the system, and again I'm going to use the marquee menu to make this other guy the driver at the following frame. So now I can move down the timeline, and this other hand is holding the cube, so I can keyframe the hand controllers again. And what we got is the two characters passing the cube to each other. Thanks for watching.